Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a social sidebar in SquareSpace. So once you open your site, you have to edit it, and after that you just edit your site header. Once you get this little box, head over to Elements and enable the Social Links tab. The social links will appear in the top right, but we are going to change them, so we will have them on the left side of the screen. So basically go into your design tab and head over to custom CSS. Now this is a little bit difficult, but I've pasted the code into the description, so make sure to copy that and paste it in your custom CSS. This is where it gets a little exciting. You can change everything you want. So let's say you want your box to have less space on the left. You can change it like this. Put it more to the top of the screen, or like lower it or whatever. This is the border that you have. You can make it more white or anything. You can change the colors of it, and you can basically do whatever you want. You also have the box shadow. This is like how wide the shadow is. This is how high the shadow is, or low. And this is the range of the shadow. So let's just say we want it at 6px, the pixels. You also have your background of the box, so you can change it to any color you want. Let's say like yellow, it's DEA apparently. So you can search some hex codes on internet or whatever, and that's basically it. Then just save it and go back, and you will see that the social sidebar is there. If this video helped you out, let me know by leaving a comment. Also make sure to like this video and consider subscribing for more straightforward tutorials.